Hey, it's Michael at Rome. I want to talk to you a bit about our cast iron seasoning and how to get your pie irons and your Rome cast iron cookware ready for use. So we don't add any seasonings to our cast iron. It's just a natural cast iron. The only thing we put on there is a little bit of clear paraffin wax. That's there to prevent it from rusting on the store shelf or in transit to you. So basically you want to get that wax off, and the easiest way to do it is to heat it over a medium temperature grill for about 5 minutes, and that wax will heat up and melt off, and you can just wipe it out with a paper towel. You could also do that in the campfire, not a problem there. Don't recommend doing that in the stove because you are going to get some smokiness from that paraffin wax. And so as you can see here, I'm just getting that all wiped out, and then we're gonna get ready to season. So when it comes to seasoning, the main thing is that you use a high temperature oil. So you don't wanna season it with an olive oil or something that burns at a lower temperature. Now, you can use your favorite oil if you worked with cast iron before. Go ahead and do that. We also sell cast iron seasoning oil. We make it with our friends over at Love It Sundries. They're a great little company, and that seasoning oil is a blend of coconut oil, flaxseed oil, and castor oil. And so as you can see here, what I'll do is I'll just scoop out a little bit of that oil blend and rub it down with a paper towel just to kind of get it coated all over the top and bottom. And I will keep the two halves of the iron separated during the seasoning process. Because if you close it up, it's not going to season the same way. So we're going to keep those open. We're going to put them up on the grill. So we're going to have that on a medium temperature, 350, 400 degrees. You could put it in the campfire as well. And I will do this for about 20 minutes. I'll flip it over once, and then I'll wipe it out when I'm done. Some people like to season a couple times. So by going through the seasoning process, it helps prevent your iron from rusting easily. It also makes it more like a non-stick finish. So thanks for watching the video, and most of all, thanks for supporting Rome and buying our pie irons. We wouldn't be here 60 years without you.